Alright, this is Every Day I Live, and these are just the guitar parts. I'm going to break them down. In the next video, I'll show you the whole song all the way through. This is the intro, and I barred this on the 4th fret. So that's the intro part, all alone there. And then it starts right away with this part. I will sing. And on that part, I slide up second finger is kind of important to me. You got this 1 and 5 on this. I will sing for your glory, shout praises. That's the opening chorus, and then it slides up. Every day I live for you. Now in some of the videos, guys will go. I found it easier just go. Easier to do that when I was doing live, because the slide around sometimes you slide too far. So just for my comfort zone. Every moment for your glory. So that's the verse. Then the second part of the down to your praise. Now this has a little bit of a delay on it, and all that stuff, and it goes. So it's kind of delay, and sometimes I rolled my volume knob a little bit. That's the second part of the verse. So you start out. And then the chorus. So basically that chorus part, trying to get this guitar to sound good, but anyway. That's the riff. Sorry, on the 14th with the pinky. Alright, and then the next time around you go to this bridge. Da, 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 2, 3, 4. Every day I live for you. Every day I live for you. Down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back into this. So that's all the parts. That's what I have. I'm going to do the full run through. Check the link in the description if you want the full run through of this.